Today we'll talk about how can you enable secure suggestions notifications on your family album app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on settings down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, so you just keep going down here. You come here to notification settings, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to secure suggestions, just click in this sign like you see here, this color show for us. That's means sticker suggestions notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.